Hello, good morning. Carmel speaking, Carmel Sastre speaking. I'm an energy and spiritual healer with 25 years experience. And the purpose of this video really is to do a little introduction and to explain you my energy and spiritual healing courses. I have, after teaching Reiki for many years and having studied a lot of different therapies, meditation, etc., and combined with the experience of the amazing results with my clients, for example, people who got burnt and then done, so everything disappeared and they've been cured. A person who had a stroke and then recovered from the lack of mobility from the right side of the body. So I decided really to create my own technique that is registered as ChakraAura. Why energy healing and why spiritual healing and why the name ChakraAura? The name ChakraAura is because I work with the chakras and with the aura. And why energy and spiritual healing? Spiritual because I work with light beings, with angels, you can call whatever you want, but this love energy from the cosmos, and with as well all the energy around us, so from different sources. I teach all that in my courses, so from the earth, from the four elements around us, and from the universe, from the planets, from the moon, etc. Remember that our body is water, basically. Okay, so in these courses, it's very important really to start with the chakras. So there is a course about only the chakras, and I'm going now to put a little presentation. I'm going to go very quickly through it because I don't want to create a video of hours. Okay, and basically, so there is the first course is about the chakras, as I was telling you. So there you learn, it's really important because if you work energetically, then you really need to know the chakras because it's the anatomy, energetic anatomy of the body. So in this course, we are going to focus in the 7 main chakras and then all related to the colors, to the mantras for each chakra, for the food, how to increase the power, how to decrease the power of the chakras, what happens if a chakra is blocked, what happens if it's out of balance, and instead of being blocked, it is overspinning, so it's very active. Both things are not good, so we need to sort out that. Then the diseases related to each chakra, the emotions related to each chakra, and then the use of how to test really the chakras. So I'm going to teach how to use the pendulum, the dancing rods, and you can as well use all the kind of things as for example the scanning. But if you don't know scanning with the hands, I teach that in the 3rd level. Okay. And then after that, you already have all, and you can start the level 1. So if you do Reiki or all the things and you want to do the Chakra Course, you can do it because it's going to be really, really helpful. But for my ChakraAura healing studies, you really need to have the course. Then you can go to level 1 if you really want to become an energy and spiritual healer. And in this course, what is going to happen is you are going to be initiated for these spiritual healing beings, these light beings, these angels, whatever you want to call. I explain exactly what it is, and it takes some time for the initiation. Then I'm going to teach how to do a proper general energy healing. So how to work with the aura, how to work with the chakras, how to cleanse, how to energize, how to work with energetic cords and the possible blockages that we have, how to ground the person, etc. And you're going to be able to do a healing session from the beginning to the end. In level 2, the initiation is going to be with a psychic surgeon. So it's going to be, you're going to use these light beings when you want to work, like doing mini operations. For example, somebody who got burnt, or if you want to focus more in the minor chakras or in a specific area of the body. So in this course, we learn as well, so not only the 7 chakras, but we extend all to know more about the minor chakras and mini chakras. So there we are going to study that and learn that there are many more chakras. And there it's going to be a deeper energy healing session. There we're going to work with energetic cords, with meditations to increase the power and to use as well the breathing and the meditation for healing purposes at the same time that we do the healing. Then in level 3, you are attuned. It's the third attunement you're going to receive, and that's it. And it's going to be to the universal healing masters or beings, which is going to be a higher vibration, and that works really in many aspects. So spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically, obviously. So in here, you're going to learn as well how to work with the colors, the power of the colors that you can use depending on the problem. So I'm going to explain the properties, the contraindication, the colors, what they do in our energy field, which chakras can be treated with certain colors, which colors not to use in certain chakras. And then in this course, I have added as well how to learn a little bit about all the physical structure of the body, because you need to learn, because if you want to do really successful healing sessions, and I really realized that after I've seen people who couldn't really do it properly. So you need to know really the physical body. For example, that the lungs have, the left one is smaller and the right one is bigger, and so on. So that's why I considered that we are going to go through all the physical body, the organs, because of course we need to know to be able to work successfully, and then how to be healed, worked, released, etc. With colors, with our hands, with the power of the cosmic energy, and what kind of energy for each organ to take. So is it going to be cosmic energy? Is it going to be earth energy, and so on. So it's really an amazing course, and there you are going to start to practice the holistic coaching session. So that means from the beginning to the end, how to do a proper session, how to do, what to say, what not to say to people, how to start the session, and the suggestions and what recommendation you can provide to the client. Okay, level 4 is the master level, and there you are going to be able really to do this coaching, the scanning. So you need really to know to scan with your hands. That means to test each chakra, what kind of energy and how to work with this energy. You need then to be accurate, because you don't want to over-energize and you don't want to leave an emptiness in this chakra, because that causes really imbalances, and sometimes it's better you don't do anything if you are not sure. So that's why I am really strict in that, because, and in the 3rd level, I really focus in the power of scanning, because you really need to know if you need to put more energy or less, and how to use the colors. So we really focus in level 3 in colors, and in this level 4, we focus in the crystals, in how to cleanse them, how to program them, how to really charge them, and how we stabilize so that the energy stays there, how to use them passively and actively. So in a session, at the same time, we use the hand and the crystals. And added to that, we work all, not only the physical, but there we focus a lot with the crystals about all the psychotherapy, all the spiritual and mental and emotional. So these three parts are really our goal, really, to work in that. So achieving this level 4, you are going to be able to know about protections, because we are going to go through all kind of protections in this master level. You are going to learn about the protection, all kind of protections, through visualization, and then with symbols, with symbols that you are going to use, and with little rituals and of alchemy. Okay, energetic alchemy and energetic power that you can generate through the sources that are going to be here stronger, and I'm going to teach you how to reach all these different kind of sources of energy. And so in this course, you are going then to be really able to do amazing healing sessions, channeling the energy, testing, scanning, and you're going to develop your intuition, because we're going to work a lot with the mind, a lot with the emotions, and to develop our intuition and clairvoyance abilities. Okay, so then I provide as well healing sessions. So if you want, for example, before studying my technique and you want to learn more, you can try one of my sessions. As well, my sessions really unblock really the paths, the future. So then you may decide, have a power of decision, and really feel what you really want in your life, and if the course is for you. You can as well contact me if any question. You're welcome for that. So I'm going to put my WhatsApp under this video. Okay, I'm going to write it down. And the courses are distanced by Skype or Zoom. And my website, if you want more information and, for example, a few testimonials through videos or emails that they send me. My website is www.auraandchakrahealing.com. Okay, so it has been a pleasure to introduce you this amazing technique, ChakraAura, energy and spiritual healing. Take care. Bye-bye.